Are you tired of struggling? Ready to stop grappling with toxic relationships, unhealthy boundaries, low self-esteem, financial difficulties, poor health, and other challenges? Now's your chance to set yourself free. The good news is that the key to healing lies within your own body, and Wellness and Harmony is here to help you find it. Your chakra system affects your health and well-being on all levels. By tapping into this vast resource, you embrace the power to truly transform your life. When you sign up for our Chakra Healing Program, you embark on a transformational healing journey as you discover the underlying cause of unhealthy patterns and discover how to make lasting, sustainable changes through a wealth of self-care and relationship skills, tools, and practices designed to support your well-being throughout your lifetime. Our 9-month virtual course combines monthly online teaching with both one-on-one and group coaching to deliver maximum benefits. In this course, you will learn to reduce stress and anxiety, heal unhealthy relationship patterns, gain greater mental clarity, overcome patterns of stagnation in your life, claim your personal power, and develop healthy coping mechanisms, among many other benefits. In all, create a happier, more joyful life as you repair, restore, and rebalance your chakras. Register for our next session and start your life-transforming journey.